How y'all doing tonight? My name is B.W. Fox. I'm from South Carolina. This is a song about a guy I met when I was in prison. He showed me this little riff. I told him I was going to write a song about it. It's called Black Guitar. He wore black denim, old black hat, played a black guitar with a black leather strap. He even picked a couple of notes no one ever heard. The sound they made was a little off, but not enough to care. Went like this. He never changed the strings and he never went at all. You still can see the beer that he spilled across the front. And if you ever get the chance, see the crack that's on the side. It's from the night they rushed the stage, the night that he played live. So if you ever get the chance, you better listen real hard, 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 because then I think you'll understand just how he got this far. His song's playing in the Bluebird. You don't have to wear a hat and boots to be country. Thank you very much.